some of the native plants that we're interested in here in the Bosque aren't particularly useful to us, but we still want to propagate them and fill the trees with them again. Diversity here is a little bit low because it was forested like 60 years ago, and it takes life a long time to restore itself. But we're helping out with that. The epiphytic plants. That means epiphytic means a plant that lives in trees. That we are helping out are the orchids. It's Laelia species orchids, and so we're propagating those in canoes so that we give them an ideal location. Then, when they're nice, healthy plants, we put them out into an oak tree or something, where we're hoping that over time they're able to sow their seed again, and there'll be lots of them. We also do a native cactus that's here, and so we propagate that and put that in the trees. It doesn't have any use for us, but we don't know the whole ecosystem. Every single plant that exists has its little niche. There could be insects that need that, and so we're getting the environment back to the way it was before before people cut the forests down. Um, Overall, diversity is plummeting worldwide, and deforestation is a problem. It'll lead to desertification and loss of water, and there'll be serious consequences. In this tiny, tiny spot, we are trying to do the opposite of that. We are trying to each year watch as there's more diversity, and these native plants, the sensitive native plants, play roles that we don't need to understand. We can't, I don't know how to understand them, but all I need to do is help them have a chance to live again in their native environment.